Let's hand you over to the commentators for the Aussie run chase.
He's hit him. NTINI's hit Justin Langer. Ball one, and it was a heck of a blow.
Straight on. And I tell you what, I don't know, is it just above, or I think it's around about the ear. Misjudgment, very quick. Looking to leave. That's what happens. The Australian batsmen come out looking to leave early on, and that's why NTINI got it spot on. Shouts all round. There's a little bit of concern for Langer. Didn't get up as he anticipated. There's Alex Kanturi, the physio, rushing onto the field. It's just behind or just above the ear. Boy, without a helmet, that would have been real trouble.
Well, Barry, no one likes to see this. He's been a wonderful servant to cricket, playing in his 100th test, and a fine batsman, and he's taken one heck of a blow here from NTINI. In the heat of battle, those kind of things happen. It's a tough game, not easy. Straight behind there, and it's a dangerous place to get hit there. All sorts of ramifications on that.
I must tell you, it's a pretty good ball first up. A real tester, and this will test him mentally. And what is NTINI? He can't soften up. He's got to go in hard again, and he's got two options when he gets the ball in his hand again. That's assuming Langer is up after this one. Bang, right on the helmet. I tell you what, he got the caught and bowled. Came all the way back to NTINI, so it's gone off the helmet straight back again. And that's what you don't want to do as a young batsman. Take your eye off the ball. It's always going to scon you.
You could just imagine if they didn't have a helmet on. That's hospital case.
Well, I saw Peter Pollock do that, and he would be the same pace as NTINI. He hit Barry Fairfield exactly there. Man down, off the field, into hospital. And it was a nasty blow. I was right at the other end. And it almost the same sort of thing. Off his head, almost straight back to the bowler. So you can imagine, that's with the helmet. You can imagine what it was like without one.
Yeah, and he's got to go, I think, and he's got to get in the change. Now, the problem for Australia, Barry, is that Ricky Ponting can't bat at 3. He's been off the field. So that adds the dilemma. That's Hashim Amla. He's on the field, just having a look around.
Well, what are the options? I guess Hussey bats up the order. Is he going to go, or is he going to stay? I think he's inclined to want to... there's a little bit of giddiness there.
He's got to go.
Yeah, it's behind the ear, Pat. When you get hit behind the ear, that's where your balance is. It affects your balance, and you get a little bit dizzy and giddy. Now then, yeah, he's got to go. He is going. So who comes out?
I think NTINI is just running over to him now. Just find out he's okay. Just pass on a word, and he's a wonderful sportsman, is Makaya. There you go. Lovely touch, Mackie. Not a good sign at all. You see there's a bit of blood on the collar as well, and let's just hope that it's all well, ends well. But and one heck of a knock.
That's the one you see there. He's just trying to get his balance, and that's what happens when you get hit behind the ear. I've had that unfortunate incident to myself when Mike Proctor hit me there, and I tell you what, it's man down, and you just can't keep your balance. That's the problem with it all. You'll be seeing a little bit of stars in his eyes as well. So just the one delivery.
Well, NTINI ran over and just said, "I'm sorry, mate." He's got to turn around and focus as well. He's got to get back to his mark. How does it affect the change room? Well, sometimes it can really send jitters through the change room, but it can also galvanise them. And there will be a lot of concern for Justin Langer, because he's well respected around the world and revered by all who've played against him and with him. What pace was that ball? Have to have a look at it. No time. Of course, at that stage, NTINI didn't know how much damage he'd really done. Well, my information was Ricky Ponting couldn't bat.
I tell you what, he can bat.
Yeah, he can bat.
But at this point in time is the debate. Yes, can he bat at this point in time, because he's been off the field? Obviously, that's been cleared with the third umpire and the match referee. So Ponting's out there. What does this man do? He's got to focus again. Forget about it. Straight back to him. Look at that. Off the helmet. Straight back.
Tell you what, it's a heck of a bouncer. It follows you. Justin Langer likes to get into line, and it just followed him, didn't it?
Yeah, I remember Mike Proctor, similar sort of bowler, bowling wide of the crease, swinging it in, and those bouncers always used to follow you. You have to go the other way. So if you're a left-hander, it's better to sway back and let the ball go past. And if you're a right-hander, then you go towards off stump.
Ricky Ponting's in the match, for sure. He'll need to settle this whole thing down now, Ricky Ponting.